Alright guys, this is the brand new window unit that we got. So let me go ahead and, it's an air conditioner, like if you have like you can attach it to your window, to your room or whatever. So we got this at the Home Depot, and let's go ahead and crank up to it. Let's see.
People don't want to see your phone moving around like that. Well,
I got it.
Okay.
Alright.
Since January 2002, during the last 10 years, he has tallied the body count.
Here it is.
We're not going to be able to get our dryer delivered until July.
Here's the metal, like, whatever you call that thing that holds in place. And here's the manual and the remote control for this.
Remote control, Daddy.
Alright. And plug it in like that. Plug it in. Alright. Here's the, alright. And these are the tabs that holds to your window. See those tabs right there? And the screws that holds in place.
reading instructions now.
Yes. Doing our best I can. Alright. Pull it out.
So, turn it upside.
Yep. Alright, here's my daddy getting the window unit out of the box. There we go. Looking good, look at that. Here's the, yep, here's the vents. It's an LG, look at that. This is the body, yes.
The bottom, yeah.
That's the front, and that's the back. Alright? Alright. Yeah, just it's the, yeah. Alright. Here's the end.
Put it in the wall. What's that, a filter?
It is a filter. It is a filter.
You want to take the paper off? Let's wait till we get it in the window before you do that.
Yes.
We may have to move some furniture around in his room.
I know.
Look at that, Daddy. Look. See the buttons right there? Here's the compressor right there, Daddy. Look. See that compressor? And there's the fan. And that's the return vent right there. Mommy, it's kind of like the one that Miss Lucy has, Mommy. Yeah, look at that. It's not that big. Look at this. Wow. It's the filter. Alright. That's the fan. Alright, guys. That was my unboxing of my window unit. I will do a nice quick test, and then we're gonna get it installed. And stay tuned for my to my demo. Thanks a lot. Bye.